how to use Bitstamp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Bitstamp. So in order to use Bitstamp, first of all, you have to install the application. So for that, you need to go to your Play Store and then on the search box, type in Bitstamp and click the install button. So in my case, I'm using a web browser, so I'm not going to install the application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So type in bitstamp.com. and that's going to direct you to their official web page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, in order to begin with the procedure, go to the in order to begin with the procedure, so this is how the official page is going to look like. Now go ahead and tap on get started button. Now you can begin with the creation of your account. Now first thing, you have to provide in your personal details. So for that, enter in your first name, last name, email address, and the date of birth. Now go ahead and quickly enter in the information and click the continue button located right at the bottom. After that, you need to provide in your residence where you actually residing on, and make sure to mark on the terms and condition as well and click the continue button. As soon as you've done that, next page you need to go ahead and tap the continue button and after that you'll be able to see some sort of information. And now you have to go ahead and verify your account. So basically, to verify your account, what you'll have to do is, all you need to do is just go ahead and provide in your phone number, your email address, and all that. And after that, you have to verify it as well. So to verify your account, you have to go ahead and provide in a security code that's going to be sent through an SMS or an email. And once you've done that, you have to upload your documents and all sort of details. You also need to enable a two-factor authentication. Once you've done that, you have completely set up a Bitstamp account. After that, you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully created your account, and then now you can begin with the trading process. So in that way, you can use Bitstamp account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.